This advice that doesn't always apply. If you are a business owner or an entrepreneur, you have probably heard at least one guru tell you that you just have to be consistent and you have to keep going, which can be really great advice some of the time. Like the old saying goes, insanity is doing the same thing over and over and over again, expecting a different result. So if you keep doing the exact same thing, expecting a different result, and it keeps going the same way, that might be time for a change. For instance, if you've been doing the exact same thing for a while now, but you're not seeing any new followers, you haven't increased your income, and everything's just kind of on repeat and recycle, it's time to change something. However, the same thing can be said about changing constantly. You don't always need to change if something's not going right. If you're constantly being sold the idea that if you just buy this product or if you just try this change, you're going to set yourself free financially, you're going to become a better business owner, on and on and on and on, you need to stop and think about it. A wise person is going to stop and consider the change that they're going to make before they make that change. So instead of rushing into the next new greatest product, stop, think about it, and then make a change. Do you struggle more with constantly changing and trying to find the new thing, or are you constantly doing the exact same thing, expecting a new result? Let us know in the comments, and if you like more ways of making social media simple, hit the follow button.